Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 favorite tools with Tubebuddy. So a quick synopsis here. Tubebuddy is a Chrome extension tool that embeds on your YouTube dashboard, and it's to help you with YouTube. And there's so many things that it does, and it's an amazing tool to help you out as a YouTuber. So I do highly recommend it. All right, so let's get into my top 3 favorite tools to use in Tubebuddy. So I'm here on the dashboard right now, and Tubebuddy's here. It's right here. And my first favorite tool is the Milestones. So in this area, for the last 30 days, they will show you these milestones that you reach. And you might think, oh, okay, so they just tell you when you reach things? Well, it's actually really important to celebrate the small wins with your YouTube channel and in general in life. And you can see here that we have some upcoming milestones. With about 300 subscribers to go, we will be hitting 44,000 YouTube subscribers. In about 280,000 views, we'll be hitting 9.5 million views. And in about 29 uploads, we will be hitting 1,600 uploads. So let me quickly show you on a client's channel what a milestone looks like. All right, so I'm here on one of our clients' YouTube channel. And again, I click on the Tubebuddy icon, head over to Milestones. And you can see here that within the last 30 days, they hit 2 milestones. So they hit 50,000 views and 125 uploads. And you can see that they give you these like certificates. And there's ones that are for the free version. And then there's these ones which are for the pro version. And this one's probably my favorite one. If you click on this and then you click on the milestone that you've reached, it gives it to you in like this cool graphic that you can print out, put in a frame, laminate, post it up, download it and upload it to your social media. That's what most people do. When we hit 50,000 subscribers, which we're about 6,000 subscribers away, I'll be printing that and putting it in a frame. And so I thought this was a really nice touch from Tubebuddy that they create these milestones for you. It's a great way to keep you going with the small wins, the morale, because I'll tell you, we've coached many people in YouTube game trying to start the YouTube channel, and most people quit before they really get going. YouTube's a long-term strategy. It's not a get rich quick type of thing. All right, so let's head over to my second favorite tool. All right, so I'm here in the Content Videos tab, and under the Bulk and Miscellaneous tools, my second favorite Tubebuddy tool is the Find and Replace Text feature. So I recently did a video on this where I literally edited 1,350 video descriptions in less than 10 minutes with this feature. So basically, I needed to change out a link in 1,300 videos. If you were to do that manually, it would take about a week of doing it 3 to 4 hours a day. And I know this because I've done it before. And with this Find and Replace Text feature, it saves you days and days of time. I have a tutorial on that. The link for that will be down in the description, where I show you exactly how I did that, how I changed a link in 1,350 videos. So that's my second favorite Tubebuddy feature. My third favorite Tubebuddy feature is the Keyword Explorer. So this Keyword Explorer is the money maker of our channel. It's how we do search engine optimization, SEO. It's how we come up with the titles, the descriptions, the tags. This Keyword Explorer tool is how we rank our videos. And I'll show you what it has done for our channel financially. So I'm here in the Analytics tab right now under Revenue. Because we're able to rank our videos, we're able to earn a pretty decent amount of Google ad revenue. And if I click here into the top earning videos, this is a list of our top 50 videos for the past 28 days. And as you can see, they're all earning income. And it's because of the keyword tool, the keyword explorer from Tubebuddy, that we are able to do the search engine optimization, SEO research for our videos. Full credit goes to them because their tool has helped us out a lot. It's how we're able to rank our videos and get Google ad revenue, among other things. We also get affiliate income, clients, coaching clients. We sell our services, course sales, and it's all from being able to rank our videos. We've been using Tubebuddy for 5+ years now, and I do highly recommend it if you are interested in getting it. We have a 20% off coupon code. Tubebuddy has graciously allowed us to give you, the viewer, 20% off, and if you use the code essetinoartists, which will be down in the description below, you guys can get 20% off any of their paid plans. And if you are a serious YouTuber, if you want to make this a real thing for yourself, I do highly recommend this tool. All the links will be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.